first question is, guys, by the way, meet the YouTuber.
Meet the YouTuber?
Meet the YouTuber. So we have the YouTuber in the house, Kriti Sanon.
Are you really calling me a YouTuber? I didn't know that. I must
I just
write
saw
that
your
in
YouTube
my,
channel. That was new for me. That's what I just saw. And an entrepreneur, Kriti Sanon.
Yes.
Yeah. So you just entered, you started entrepreneur, you became an entrepreneur, you're a YouTuber, you are
Also an actor.
also an actor. She acts on the side.
Yeah.
So that's what she does. But no, thank you so much for coming here.
No, it's a pleasure.
When was your first break? Like, how did you get it? The first time?
My first break was actually in Telugu films.
You got an award also.
Huh?
You got an award for it, right?
For debut, yeah.
हाँ, for debut.
Yeah. But I think मैं already ऐसा कुछ चल रहा था कि मैंने एक फिल्म साइन कर दी थी. कुछ 3 फिल्म का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था किसी के साथ जो मैंने साइन कर दिया था. फिर सडनली वो फिल्म नहीं हुई. And I was like, oh shit, ये क्या हो गया, लाइफ में. And suddenly I got a call कि एक फिल्म है महेश बाबू के साथ. तब तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था महेश बाबू, because I used to not watch South films.
Okay.
And I googled him and obviously I realized he's a superstar. And एक फिल्म है, and they were actually shooting with another actor, like another actress. And something happened last minute that they wanted a new girl, and they had shot for a bit, and then they were looking for a new girl suddenly. And I flew down और हैदराबाद में मैंने कुछ auditions दिए, थोड़े बहुत हिंदी सीन्स किए वहाँ पर, फिर थोड़े बहुत उन्होंने तेलुगु का कुछ लिख के दिया. I learned it up and I did those scenes. And in 2-3 days I got like finalized. And then that film was happening. And I was like, okay, sometimes something doesn't happen because something else has to happen. And that film happened. Then, as I said, in between, there was some time. And I gave Heropanti ka audition. And I signed that film on the day of my audition. Like, I met the director and they had
an audition and they were like, boom, you're in.
So they were trying to find a girl for a year.
Okay.
Opposite Tiger.
For
एक साल से वो ऑडिशंस चल रहे थे. एक साल से बहुत लड़कियों के ऑडिशंस हुए थे. तब ऐसा था, मेरे पास शायद आया था कुछ कॉल, एंड मैं वो दूसरी वाली फिल्म कर रही थी जो बाद में नहीं हुई. एंड देन दे कॉल टू मीट मी, एंड मैं साजिद सर से मिली, साबिर सर से मिली, जो डायरेक्टर हैं. And they said कि अच्छा एक audition करना है. And this was like the largest audition ever, because it was proper film camera, hair makeup costume on a location with Tiger. I think they wanted to see कि मैं और Tiger साथ में कैसे दिखते हैं, हमारी energy कैसी है. That was the first day I met Tiger, and हमने एक scene किया वहाँ पर, and they shot it proper, like OS लगा कर सब कुछ, like a proper scene. And I was like, ये बहुत बड़ा ऑडिशन है. And then Sabir sir told me कि हम 10 मिनट में साजिद नाडियाडवाला के ऑफिस जा रहे हैं. So I was like, okay. And then when we were on our way, he said, you're signing the film. And I was like, what? Like, I couldn't believe it. I don't think it sunk in at all. My manager was already told she was reaching there. I called her my parents and I said, I'm going to sign a film. And they were like, कौन सी कि क्या कब, and I told them about it, and then I signed it.
Did you have any low point in your life, in your career?
Yeah, many ups and lows happen. Yeah, बरेली की बर्फी मैंने शूट की थी.
Oh, I love that movie, by the way. Just I want to put it out, like, love it.
Thank you. But I shot that film. उससे पहले मैंने राब्ता शूट की थी. मेरी लास्ट रिलीज दिलवाले थी. After completing the shoot of बरेली की बर्फी, मैंने 15 महीने कोई फिल्म शूट नहीं की. 15 महीने बहुत होते हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर शूटिंग बैक टू बैक मोस्टली. 15 महीने मैंने कुछ शूट नहीं किया था. एंड इट वाज मोर बिकॉज देयर वाज नथिंग ग्रेट कमिंग माय वे. एंड आई थिंक शुरू में क्या, मेनली एक्टर्स बेसिकली चूज फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव, राइट? It's just slowly, if you're succeeding in life, the options become more. Initially on your table, the options are lesser. तो ऐसा कुछ interesting नहीं आ रहा था, ऐसा कुछ अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था. And I was like, I've not shot for 15 months. What if people forget me?
Okay.
Like, what if, like, there are so many new faces coming every day. What if, like, I need to start shooting? And I won't say which film, but at that point, I did sign a film which I was not 100% sure of. But I was like, I need to be on a set, you know, and I just need to shoot.
I just need to go back to the action.
Yeah, and कभी-कभी क्या होता है, this a friend of mine says, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, आपको ना चक्की चलाना ज़रूरी होता है. वो एक बार धक्का लग जाता है, चल जाती है ना, तो फिर धीरे-धीरे चलना शुरू हो जाती है. So that's what I think at that point maybe needed. Because then after that I started working, you know, and it's not like that film had released. It's just that I started working.
Were you insecure about something?
See, it's not actually, I was not so insecure. I was more frustrated at a point. Because when you don't come from a film background, I feel like it takes a longer time for people to even know you, for you to get certain kind of opportunities that you want. You know, sometimes you feel कि यार मुझे पता है कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, मुझे पता है मेरे में potential है, but मेरे सामने ही नहीं है वो चीज़, तो मैं क्या करूँ? You know, and sometimes you see other people who've just come in, you know, or who belong to a film background, who have, you know, people who are backing them and stuff like that, and they're getting it so easily, and you're like, I think in my head I'm better than this person, but I'm not getting this opportunity, and I can't show that, you know. So I feel like there was a point in my life where there was a little frustration of just not getting what I really wanted, like not getting that opportunity to sink my teeth in, you know, and then Mimi happened.
Oh.
So I feel like उसके बीच में जो टाइम था ना, मुझे था कि यार मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूँ, और टाइम निकले जा रहा है, मेरे सामने वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता है हाउ डू आई शो माई परफॉर्मेंस व्हेन आई डोंट हैव अ कैरेक्टर.
Good question. What do you think? What's more important to become a really successful actor? Acting or marketing?
See,
because you said talent. So talent or marketing?
More important, talent.
Really?
Yeah. You will take longer and you might get it. Only on the basis of marketing, and you don't have talent, you can fool the audience once, twice, but then not more than that.
But then don't you, because you're packaged as like a big marketing product, तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 साल बाद then you eventually find some space and then you
यार मार्केटिंग तो मतलब आप साबुन भी बेच रहे हो, तो इवेंचुअली साबुन अगर अच्छा नहीं है तो वो थोड़े टाइम पर नहीं चलेगा ना, खरीद लेंगे एक बार लोग.
बट लोगों को इतनी आदत लगा दो कि वो लोगों को लगेगा कि वही साबुन अच्छा है.
नहीं, I don't think audience is that dumb. I feel
I'm just
like
asking you.
No,
I'm making a situation in my head.
I consider audience very, very intelligent if they don't like someone's acting. There are so many people who've come from, you know, family backgrounds, filmy backgrounds, all of that, have gotten like the best opportunities maybe, but are not as successful, you know, and eventually it boils down to talent. Marketing करके कितना उल्लू बना लोगे किसी को, honestly. It can work once, it can work twice, but what takes you longer, like for the longer ride, is your talent.
But then with talent
and your choices of films. That I would say. If you have great talent but you're great in every film but the film is not working, nothing matters.